voyage with Takshila started when I graduated with a degree in footwear designing. I remember in my last years of college, I was extremely uncertain about my future. I discussed about my options with my teachers, my parents, my friends, and they all advised me to go somewhere where I could continue with my footwear designing. So I downloaded a lot of brochures, visited a lot of colleges, and I gave examinations. I got into London School of Textile, NIFT, CLRI Chennai, and Pearl Academy of Fashion. And then just one day I got a call from my HOD and he asked me what I exactly wanted to do. So I told him that I maybe wanted to start up my own business, build up a footwear brand. And then he made me realize that I needed an MBA for that. I needed a college who could teach me how to start a business from scratch and manage it all on my own. And to which I agreed because I had already learned the maximum things there were about footwear designing. So I downloaded this brochure of Takshila Business School and I was immediately impressed by everything they had to offer. From teaching to the placements, the faculties, the environment, I was even shocked to see the schedule of the classes. I mean, we have at least 15 hours of classes a day. Takshila is practically making us corporate ready from the day one without any excuses. The curriculum is designed in such a way that it helps every student to enhance their overall career, and we get a clear image of how to manage an organization right from the top to the bottom management, how to manage the HR, the staff, the legal aspects of business, conducting a research, developing a business, growing it. Takshila has helped me get a clear image of what happens in the practical life. We have tri-semesters here at Takshila and I'm just in my second semester and I have interacted with different companies, gotten job offers. We have worked with a lot of companies for live cases. We have had tons of projects, market research and internships. In fact, I've just completed one with the TDI. I mean, they keep us on our toes here and somehow this inner feeling of doing better than yesterday has taken over everyone. I feel privileged talking about Takshila. It has opened doors for so many opportunities for me and it has been just 6 months and it has been a grand experience and I already feel that I'm ready to take on the world.